Hey, so what's going on, guys? Matt here with Droid Reviews, and welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to be getting the hood, the spoiler, as well as the front fenders wrapped, because one of the front fender has some paint discoloration considering how old this car is, and there's a small dent there. So I was actually contemplating whether should I spray the fender or should I get it wrapped. So I was thinking that wrap is a more cost effective and efficient way to get it done up. Of course, yeah, the inside is still going to be sort of like discolored, but at least it will look good for a while until I do get a carbon fiber fender in the future. So that's the plan, but not now. But for now, just for cosmetic sake, I'm going to get it wrapped. At least it gives the car a different look. But of course, yeah, wrap is not a permanent solution. It is a temporary solution, and it also protects the car from stone chips as well. So I'll be heading over to Max Sticker Supply. They are the sticker wholesalers for car wrap stuff, and the workmanship is pretty good, so that's the reason I'll be going back there and getting it settled. Of course, it's going to cost around 500 to 600 ringgit. That's what I got a quote from the boss. And for now, I think since it's going to be done in like an hour, so I think it's a pretty quick job, and that will actually give the car a much nicer look. Alright, so enough talking, let's head over to Max Sticker Supply and get this car wrapped. Guys, so it's been a couple of days since I did the wrap. The reason is that I wanted the wrap to settle in because the wrap has to have about 1 to 2 days or even 3 days depending on the weather conditions to actually get settled in, and then you have to go back to the shop for touch-up. And also I wanted to do a montage which I'll be showing you right now, and according to them, right after wrapping the car you are not allowed to wash the car for at least 2 days. But unfortunately for me, right after I wrapped, it started raining like nobody's business. So the wrap started to peel off at the edges, and I had to go back to touch up the wrap. So when I went there to actually do the touch up, I also tinted the rear lamps. So I wanted to do that for a while, but I had some old wrap that was left there and unable to remove, but I managed to find a way. Alright, so this has been a very quick video, a very quick update on what I did for the Scirocco, because I want to do it in stages. So this is a time where I do the cosmetic stuff, where I do the wrap. I'm thinking of a body kit, but I'm on the fence with that. I might do a body kit later on when I find a nice one, a nice combination, because I do not want to do the R version of the Scirocco, because this is not R version of the Scirocco. So I just wanted to keep it as original as possible, but maybe just add the Regia body kit or something like that. I'm not really sure what I want to go for at the moment. Right, so guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, do hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. I have tons of content coming up. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.